Hello guys, I want to show you how you can um make your work easier or your life easier using LaTeX. And I will do an example. We'll be creating an image in LaTeX. Yeah, I want to create this image, this diagram, this figure in LaTeX. And I want us to make some what do you know tatumia loops. hata kama LaTeX hata kama LaTeX ni markup language, I strongly believe it's more than just markup language, sababu iko na logic yake. So as we know, our document class, let me use book. Open any means you can open any from any page, any side. 14 points, then it's a book. I want it to be a book. The package that we'll be using, nataka tu just TeX package, and then Xcolor for coloring. What else do we need? That's good. Then we can this is our main environment, the document on main environment. Those who missed the LaTeX workshop, you guys really missed something. So for the TeX, we have the environment for the TeX. We begin TeX picture. It's always good to close the tags, the environment, otherwise ukijaribu compile there will be an error. If you forgot, kama utasahau, that is TeX picture. That's good. The scale, let me scale it. You can scale your diagram. Let me scale it to a half. That is, if I will be drawing according to draw like 1 centimeter, what will be output? It will be half a centimeter. It will be scaled half. Unaweza scale kulingana vile unataka. Let me draw the axis. Draw thick. That means inamaanisha it will have an arrow at the end. Then from point -8, one of the challenges using this TeX package is that you have to think geometrically. You have to know, you have to have your coordinates in your head in your drawing. Then I want to draw a node on the right, na hiyo node itakuwa na theta, this theta. Unaona haka theta tunaona hapa. Let me zoom this one. See this theta? Yeah, hii ndo nasema hapa, node on the right. Then I want to draw the y-axis, thick. Small and small here. 0, -8 to 0.8. No, hiyo haina anything on, it doesn't have a node. Now sasa nataka we draw these circles. In this diagram they are known as the streamlines. I want to draw this, but I don't want to draw like each circle at a time. I want to use a loop, a for loop. This is interesting, guys. This is very interesting. For X, this is how we this is a for loop in our new programming language called the LaTeX. It's not a programming language, it's a markup. But from what